I want a job. Everybody wants a job. What kind of job? Ideally where I am the boss, but if not, at least some kind of job where. So service is everywhere. Going deeper, Prabhupada explains, all these souls like us who do not want to serve in the spiritual world, what are we doing here? Prabhupada said, you are serving Maya. What does Maya mean? Our own mind and intelligence. So again, we cannot run away from service. In a proper situation, a person gets a job, occupation, whatever, and he has a family, he obeys rules, regulations. He is called an honest citizen. Someone doesn't do that, somebody breaks the laws, he is put in jail. And what does he do in jail? Break rocks, sew clothes, make pottery, whatever. So the government says, either this way or that way you should serve us. Either you take a government job or a private job and serve the economy, or if you commit crimes, you go in jail and do the same thing what you could be doing outside for much lesser pay, with no sort of credibility, with no fame or no name, but you do the same thing. Is it like jail life is all luxury where, you don't have to do anything? No, it's not like that. So if man can make a situation where only people who follow rules, they can enjoy proper life. Those who disobey, they have to suffer. What makes us think that Krishna has made a situation where those who are in his spiritual kingdom, they enjoy, and we here also enjoy? It's not possible. If a man can make a system where somebody who is breaking law has to suffer, Krishna also made a system where those who break law, they suffer. Of course, there is so much of Maya, there is so much of illusion, that although we are suffering, we don't realize it. Another point is, we read in the Bhagavad Gita, this world is a perverted reflection. This was the first thing someone explained to me when I asked a devotee that why emphasize being a servant? Why? So he said, look, calling yourself somebody's servant is not a very prestigious thing in this world, right? I said, yeah. But this world is a reflection of the spiritual world. So what is top there must be bottom here. And what is top here must be bottom there. Like a skyscraper building. You see the perverted reflection in a lake. The topmost story is at the bottom now. And the ground floor is the top. Simple. So he said, simple logic. Being a servant is the greatest thing in the spiritual world. People want to shed all other things. They want to give it up. No, I want to be a servant. I'm glorified being a servant. Servant. I'm nothing else but the servant. Now, is there any prestige in being a servant here? Normally people say no. But yes, there is. You know how? Provided there is that kind of a master. I know a devotee, he only told me the story. Before coming to Krishna consciousness, he was a fan of a rock star, the king of pop. He used to listen to his songs. When he said, Avjananti ma mudha, manushim tanum ashritam. You and me also have taken a tanu. We have a body. But is it a body given in the form of a gift, It's punishment. This is punishment. The living entity is given a material body by way of material nature with the three modes, time factor and the material elements. These are all prison clothes. I've never seen anybody showing his family album, people wearing prison clothes. Like, this is our exalted family. Look, they found Prabhupada to be like a jolly person, cracking jokes about this, about that, telling stories about India. Jamuna Mataji, she came and she was thinking, Krishna conscious diet means, half boiled, or luxury means fully boiled, little bit of salt. And Prabhupada says, why? For most who came to Prabhupada and asked a question, why should we do this? Prabhupada said, why not? You tell me, why not? Why not we should eat properly? Why not should we dance? Why not should we be happy? No, spiritual life is spiritual, means has to be something very serious. Not necessarily. Of course, you cannot put mundane rasa, the mundane humor or mundane jokes, because they are born in this filth of Rajagun, Tamogun. Humor has to be there, it has to be born in Shuddha Sattva. That is the only condition.